What's up guys? In today's video I want to discuss with you Verblio and how you can earn money with this platform. If that is something that you are interested in, then this video is for you. Okay guys, so here on Verblio, you can earn money by working as a freelance writer. This can be an interesting opportunity for you to check out if you are looking for content writing jobs. Now first up, I want to discuss with you what you will need in order to apply. They say here impeccable grammar, strong research skills, show-stopping content writing jobs, an understanding of modern content marketing and SEO, a professional and collaborative communication style, 18 years of life under your belt, US citizenship, and a valid social security number. Now, what are some of the reasons why you might consider working here on Verblio? They say here you can join their community forum and get advice from over 3,000 experienced freelance writers. There's a variety of writing jobs. You can work where you want, submit content from anywhere as long as there's an internet connection. You can share your expertise. They work with businesses and agencies in 40 plus industries like legal and real estate. They'll match you with the perfect customers based on what you know best. And guys, the fact that there are over 40 industries really increases the chance of you finding one that you are knowledgeable in. It's not your average 9 to 5. You decide when and how much to work. We don't care whether you're an early bird or a night owl, as long as your content makes us sing. Keep them coming back. Unlike other platforms, we're a subscription service, which means your favorite clients need new content every month. We'll always have work for you when you need it. Okay, guys, and next up here, I want to explain to you how this platform works. They say here Veblio helps you discover businesses and agencies in need of your expertise. Then it's up to you. First, you're going to find a job. With 1,300 clients across 40 different industries, work is always available. We offer jobs from 300 to 3,000 words across several different types of content. Do your research. We're dedicated to creating high powered content that drives SEO. Each customer needs industry expertise in a voice that matches their brand. Create content that delights. We care about the quality of your writing, not the length of your resume. Customers choose what to purchase, so it's up to you to make sure your content stands out. Gain access to more jobs. New writers complete short form jobs to get started. By selling content and earning 5-star reviews, you'll earn access to longer and higher paying jobs. Build client relationships. Veblio is a subscription, so customers need fresh content every month. Find customers who love your work and you can write for them again and again. Get paid. When customers purchase your content, we make sure you get paid. Invoice weekly or save up for that vacation. With no minimum or maximum invoice, you control your own success. Okay, guys, and next up here, I want to discuss with you how do you get paid. They say here they pay invoices via bank direct deposit every Monday. There's no minimum or maximum invoice. They use bank deposits exclusively, so you'll need to have a valid bank account in order to get paid. Pay is based on the size of the job, which you will see before beginning work for that customer. You will be able to invoice for a job only once the customer has purchased your content. You do need to submit an invoice in order to get paid. When you begin, you will only have access to their shortest jobs. As you write more at Verblio, you will gain points in our system to get access to higher paying opportunities at higher word counts. Pay starts at $11.50 for a 300 to 400 word post and increases beyond that based on the customer's desired word length. We offer jobs from 300 to 3,000 words. They also say here, what types of jobs do you offer? We now offer several different types of written content, including blog posts, newsletters, web content, ebooks, white papers, and more. We also work on large one-time projects in editing, product descriptions, and more. For all of our jobs, you'll be writing on behalf of businesses, which means you'll be writing for their audience and from their perspective. This is professional writing, and we expect your content to be error-free, polished, and appropriate to the customer's voice and tone. So that's something very important that you need to take note of. You might also be wondering if you need any experience. They say they welcome writers from all backgrounds and with different levels of experience to be a writer for Verblio. Writers who are just starting out in their careers in freelance writing and seasoned professionals alike should apply. However, we do like to set some expectations. Professional and highly experienced writers will likely move up to higher paying jobs more quickly than less experienced writers. We personally review your content at several stages, and if your content is on point, you can earn early access to higher level jobs. All writing should be thoughtful, conscientious, and inclusive. If you're new to content writing and writing for businesses, it may take you a little while to get up to speed and earn the type of income you're looking for. Okay, guys, now if you are looking for an alternative to Verblio where you can also find freelance writing jobs, then there are quite a few options that are available online. One option here is scripted. You know, guys, some of the reasons why you might consider working on scripted is like there's competitive pay. They say here scripted writers made over $1 million in 2020. They offer competitive pay and writer rewards that rival any writing platform in the industry. Write what you know. Scripted has clients across 37 different industries, so you can find work within your expertise and on your terms. You can see some of the industries here, like automotive, agriculture, education, and a few others as well. You also get to work with great companies, from small businesses to large corporations. Find the perfect clients and build long-term relationships. Build your portfolio. Host samples of your work in your scripted profile. Build your portfolio and diversify your writing skills to help grow and expand your career. Work anywhere, anytime. Control your workload and set your own hours. Scripted writers work all over the world on their own schedule. Payment and project management. Don't worry about chasing down payments or organizing projects and deadlines. Scripted's project dashboard and payment management makes freelance writing easier than ever. So, guys, if this sounds like an interesting platform where you can also find freelance writing jobs, then you can definitely check out Scripted. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I discussed with you Verblio and how you can earn money on this platform. Now, guys, as I say in all my videos, please do your own research first before you sign up to any website or app that I mention here. Now, guys, with that being said, I do hope that you have found value in this video. Please do consider liking and subscribing for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.